Subscribe and stay informed. Addicted to Macintosh. Hi, I will show you how to use Zoom in photos with iPhone 12 or 13. To take zoomed out photos or zoomed in photos with iPhone 12 or iPhone 13, open the camera app on iPhone. Next, tap on the 1x icon above the photo button. Now, you will see a semi-disc scaling from 0.5 times all the way to 5 times. If you go to 0.5 times, you are basically zooming out. If you are rotating the disc towards 5 times, you are zooming in. It's that simple. Hope you enjoy this video. Have a nice day. Subscribe and stay informed. Addicted to Macintosh.